Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Thursday, July 30th, 2009. This morning I wanted to take a brief look at what we're doing with Seaside in the next release of Cincom Smalltalk, both VisualWorks and Object Studio. If you go to the Parcel Manager and you bring up here the Seaside web development page, you'll notice that this is going to look a little different than it did before. Seaside All is here and Seaside Examples All. This is Seaside 2.9, whereas in the previous release we put out Seaside 2.8. Now let's go ahead and load this. And it's going to load everything in, and this is going to be a little different than what you saw in Seaside 2.8. For one thing, you won't get immediately thrown to a browser, and the server will not immediately start. Okay, with everything loaded, let's go ahead here and go to the Seaside menu. Notice we have to start the server, and then we can open a browser on the server. And I'll bring this up to the top. You'll notice there are no examples here, and that's because Seaside 2.9 has been reconfigured a fair amount to componentize it and make it easier for various vendors like Cincom to support it. So to get the examples, what you want to do is you want to go back here, find Seaside Examples, and load that. That'll bring all the examples in. Now with all that in, let's go ahead and refresh this page, and now you notice there are a whole bunch of examples here. So let's go to Examples, and we'll go to Counter, and there it is. There's our typical counter example. And that's just kind of a brief overview of what I wanted to go through today. Seaside 2.9 is coming in the next release of our product. You'll have access to this in all the builds from here on out. And when we ship, this is the version of Seaside we intend to support. And going forward, when we get Web Velocity pushed past the 1.0 version, which is out now, it will be on top of Seaside 2.9. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.